Welcome back, viewers. Welcome to our channel's Gardening Mantra. Today we've got amazing vertical garden ideas. If you love gardening but don't have space, you can easily scale down a garden that could fit in your own kitchen. Vertical gardening is a great way to incorporate fresh herbs you can easily produce, including in the kitchen. You won't have to worry about traditional gardening tasks that include pest control, taking care of weeds, and overall care. Here are some ideas for vertical gardens. Vertical planter. More and more people are utilizing vertical gardens because they are easy to take care of and even more fun to manage. Imagine being able to incorporate fresh basil into that pasta sauce you've been cooking up all day. With vertical gardens, it's super simple. Here are some of the best ideas that we've found to incorporate a garden into your home. This vertical planter concept is not only interesting to look at, but it's completely functional too. The interesting design holds all kinds of different plants, depending on preference. You can easily customize this planter to make it as large or small as you need. This would also look perfect in a small courtyard area or even apartment balcony. Plastic wall planter. Plastic wall planter is a vertical oasis that can easily be constructed from repurposed materials. You can make this a fun project to execute with the kids or even just piece it together yourself. You can make this planter smaller so you can incorporate fresh herbs into it easily. Herbs can basically grow in any container that has adequate dirt and water and displays them on a trellis. Water reservoir planter. Vertical planter is made from a plastic water bottle or some kind of plastic reservoir. It's an easy way to keep your herbs together without having to spend too much time on constructing an actual garden or planter. You can hang this concept up anywhere you'd like. It's lighter in weight and can sustain plenty of dirt to get some of your favorite plants growing. Wall baskets. Planters are essentially hanging baskets. This is a really cute concept for planting a lot of different plants at once. It works as a great space saver since you don't have to worry about planting the plants in an actual garden or in the dirt. It's such a cute idea. You could even package this as a kit to give someone as a gift. Anyone who likes to garden will appreciate it. Brick garden. This brick garden is a space saver that looks absolutely adorable. It's a great way to incorporate a theme into your vertical oasis. The plants on the actual bricks complement the brick wall planters perfectly. This gives a well-rounded look when it comes to patio garden decorating. You can make these planters as small or large as you want. It just depends on preference. Wall planter art. What better way to give life to your outdoor space than creating some living art? This interesting wall concept incorporates living plants in place of more traditional decor. This would be a great idea for an outdoor courtyard or even a side garden that has a back wall. The space is so chic that you could host your next party with confidence.